So today I got a new ice on my wrist. What is up, people? So a couple of things have been happening today. Yeah, no vlog yesterday. I guess I'm doing this every other day again. Wait for it. Nice. Cars, man, cars. Woo. So what is up? Today a couple of things are happening. Today I'm going to the movies. Then I'm going to hang out at the mall with a couple of friends, family and friends and all that. Name it all, blah, blah, blah. Today I did not have work. I've been home chilling, editing, and I had to finish a couple stuff. Ooh, this is hot. I had to finish a couple stuff and you know, it's called business. Then I got this new watch. It's actually not that bad. I thought it was gonna be really bad, but somebody gave it to me for my graduation and I was like, thank you. It's actually really good. It's a comfy watch. So I'm gonna put my eyes away for a while because I've been wearing that a lot and I'm scared it's gonna drop or something because I do so many crazy stuff. So anyways, today we have movies and hang out with family because one of my family, you know, Marcy, she's leaving and she's going to Washington DC, so this is gonna be the last time we get to hang out, you know, and have some fun. But so what is up, people? Welcome back to another day of smiling, vlogging with your boy David. So hope you guys are having a good day, smiling and just having fun, you know. Do something in your day. Don't sit home and just watch Netflix like my sisters do. When I tell them to come help me vlog, they don't want to help. But it's okay, you know. I help me. Me and you got this. Just realized my friends come back from camp today. I was planning on going to camp and actually surprise them that I'm there on Wednesday, because you can go like half day for like services and all that. But I don't have my credit card. So somebody found out information about my credit card and took money out of it. So I had to block it and get a new one. Dang, this car thing is killing me. So I had to block it and get a new one. But then a new one takes like 2 weeks to do all that funky stuff and get everything lined up. So I've been waiting and it hasn't come out. So I don't have money. That's why all these vlogs have just been me chilling and all that. Because I can't do any pranks. Because pranks require money. And I can't do that. And but when I get that, we'll have the fun back. Because I need to buy stuff. I gotta buy. I can't even order my merch. That's why I only have this type of shirts and I have to like stock the whole thing in, and I haven't done that. I haven't even taken pictures. It's bad. Yesterday I had a vlog out, by the way. Not gonna lie, I just did not release it because I didn't find time for all this funny stuff, you know. So my friends, my workmates were trying to prank me. And they say they did something to my car, but it looks fine. So apparently they couldn't do it because they're scared of the comeback I would do to them. But it's okay, you know. It's alright. Next time you talk trash, know who you're talking trash to. Guys, today I am tired of talking to my sister. She's just being annoying. That chair did not click when I moved it up. You know what she said? She laughed. And I was like, you're laughing because the chair would move when you brake? She's like, yeah, I'm imagining you flying out the window. That's funny. Just came back from American Eagles. Look at that. Spending bank out here. Me and my African siblings. Hey! One is embarrassed. Oh my God. I'm getting a new hat, but he can't wear it.
He's not used to
That's funny. Roasting me? I still look flyer than you.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there. Because we kind of do. It's a vegan person like this.
She's vegetarian.
She's from Africa too. Yeah? How do you not eat goats and lions?
I'm fooling the stereotypes.
You just denied our culture.
Guys, that's a German grill right there.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
It's Donna. Go to the mall and not get some bubble tea. Difference between coconut and cocoa.
What's chocolate?
David, just make the order, guys.
The question: what's his name that made you vegan? I know
What's
his
his
wife.
name? What?
You can't
I don't
from
date
our
white
African
boys.
ways, our pure African made ways of eating lions off the street into eating vegetarians. Are you eating grass now?
You just,
Mbaku? Is it Mbaku? So Mbaku made you vegetarian.
man.
But Mbaku feeds on chicken.
He does that.
He eats his own chicken live.
The part when he said, I'm sorry. No, he said, I'm kidding.
Today we lost an African. We kicked him out of the African society for being vegan and not eating our meat. You are from my hands after killing a deer in my backyard.
So my friend Anish, he found a mealworm in his food from one of these Chinese. No, I'm not kidding.
Japan.
So we lost a family member to Mbaku Nation. It is not okay. We will not have it. We will not have it, sister. Sister, we're not going to have it. How dare you lose us? So disrespectful. We get so much food and stuff. I like this. I like days like this where we hang out like a family. We just get food, but we had to sneak it into the theater. Savage. I have no idea what movie we're watching. Oh, we finally made it in with the food, eh? Africans. I can't believe we actually snaked food in there. Masterminds. Hey guys, don't forget to get yourself some Kister merch. I have to plug, you know.
Mine does. Doesn't that help?
What's your clear angle?
What I just said. You pulled him back to that perspective. Oh,
But you can't do that. That's not.
I just gave you an angle, and you're saying it's like I gave you a finish line right
how would
here,
you suggest
and you're saying we're going to encourage you. We're going to encourage you. We're not going to give you an end line. That is literally what you're saying.
What is your? How would you get to that end line?
That's what we need to figure out. You're just stuck with this. They are strong, more strength. That's you have a good point there. Still, let's place of higher strength. You have to build them up.
Build them up.
I know this because it's safe. I know this because it's safe. I'm saying, hey, I'm gonna be courageous and give you an end line. Boom.
What's the end line? What's the end line?
The perspective that she was talking about.
But how do you get there?
That's what we need to figure out. It takes time.
Sam, we don't have time. We don't.
Literally, Mercy, that's the thing, that no one has time. So that's why you hope and you keep on succeeding. You keep on...
Yes, we don't know, but let's try this until we figure it out.
That's what I'm saying too.
Did he say that?
Yes, I literally said we were gonna try. Do I say I know the answer? You don't know the answer. So what you said, we're gonna try something. No, did I say that? Because like you said before, there's no guarantee. I'm saying we're gonna change something and give them an end goal. Do you go to school without an end goal, Mercy? Do you live without an end goal, Mercy? No, really, you don't. That's BS. You live without an end goal, Samantha. You live without an end goal. You live without an end goal. I'm not calling it me. You have a point there. But I'm saying we still need to get them to a place of strength. A strong, no, actually you're right, correction. A place of more strength.
No.
You have a goal.
But
you have a
she
goal.
has a
You go-
Sam, even Sam, come back down. Sam,
Okay,
come
go.
back
Go.
down. Just breathe. All right. What you're saying is let's get them to that point where they think like we do, right? Where they can see that yes, get to a point where they think survive.
Mercy, you act because I state the objective, you think I'm being cold.
Anthony Bourdain was the
Mercy,
epitome of success.
Mercy, I'm saying we're gonna get you. Okay, all right, you have a point there. That's
Kill themselves in Uganda,
No, they
in
do.
South Africa,
They
in
do.
Nigeria.
They do.
But you don't hear about it because that shit is kept under wraps.
Oh.
Right here. Don't say
Hey, this is the kids' channel.
Come on there.
You start off at the beginning. Today is a very special episode.
Viewers discretion advised. We've been having a cute, good conversation until we actually got kicked out by a cop. Because he decided our conversations were not good for the society. And he kicked us out, which is okay. And the conversation still keeps going on. Oh, looks like New York City out here. Oh, wow. It's still Ohio, guys. Still Ohio. Tomorrow, me and Mercy are going to protest downtown. We're going on a riot. Yes, I am. I'm actually driving. Dorcas, you wanna join? If we get deported, I love you, mom and dad. Sam, you join? Sam's going to lose his job at Chipotle.
In the general election.
I actually voted for Donald Trump.
Okay, get out. didn't even vote.
No, in class I did.
Wow. Doesn't even have an effect.
That was my only option.
We'll go and we'll take pictures.
Speaking of having white people in between, Dorcas.
Stop. Why are you like this?
Yeah, what happened?
Stand right beside me, sister. Wait, ostrich looks like beef.
Oh yeah, that same thing with duck. Duck is pretty red.
That was in scouting when I was still a scout boss in Uganda. Yeah.
You had a rice cooking pot in Uganda?
No.
You used the ndagala.
I say you use a normal pot.
Oh,
Yes,
oh!
you make the
I
rice.
thought you said a rice cooking pot, like
No, I say
electricity.
the rice comes out like the one cooking this rice cooking pot.
So, Masi,
We used to have
you're taking
competitions.
nuts.
Best rice.
We might have to try this rice tonight.
Right? And every house had to cook their food.
We save on
Then there have to be
we
judges
save on money.
who come and the sample.
Wait, you did this?
I was judging.
Oh, I thought you were one of the cooks. I was like, did you
But
win?
I showed my house how to do it, and they kept winning.
Wait, how do you do how do you qualify for the judging? Don't you have to be good at cooking it before you qualify for it?
Just have to be the protectorate.
I thought like American Idol, you gotta be good at singing to judge it.
The Minister of Health.
Oh wow, that's unfair for the cook. That's unfair for the chefs. That's the timekeeper, isn't that? That's the timekeeper. I was prefect for a while. I was class monitor for a while, but I hated it because I didn't want to snitch on my friends. And they're like, if you don't tell the truth, then you're the one that takes their place. Then they whip you, and then you come back, you're like, all right, I took this one. Next time you're taking it. We had to take turns.
That's it. We have agreed.
Like writing names, and then they come, hey, write his name. That she's not talking. Wait for her. Then she just yawns. You're like, yeah, she said something. You write her name down, and that's how it worked. It was just rude.
In senior one,
And then people
we had just
respected
arrived in
you.
this boarding school.
Oh my God! But don't even start
The
me on
class
boarding
monitor
school.
went.
Hold up. What did you call me?
I did got some wine.
Lactose intolerant? What a who?
Yeah, sure.
Who's that? Okay, this is a real question. I know it's on the vlog, but I don't know what lactose intolerance
It
is.
means you can't take milk. You can't digest milk.
You can't digest milk.
Did he just... Mercy! That is mean! Okay, look, I'm mean, but he can't say that to me. You know, I live on chocolate and milk every morning.
Chocolate.
Watermelon.
Watermelon milk.
It's because, look, I tried to say my stuff. If I can say in Spanish, like chocolate, it's the same as chocolate, so everything I speak Spanglish.
Spanglish.
Alright, time to say goodbye.
Who's asking for me?
See you guys. No, we're not coming back.
No, we're leaving now.
Until I see you again. Come on. We have to go home. What? This house?
I don't know what you're saying.
Wait, you used to live here?
No, we used to cover all the top
Ah.
movies. When I was like 9 and 8.
Wow.
Since we're back.
That's actually good. Look at that pig.
Yeah, we went to this house so many times.
Dang. This is a huge house. It is a cute house. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. This is where the magic happens.
That's because
Nice. I get to drive this big boy. Nice. It's funny how people give me cars to drive. Is it a stick shift?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. Well,
Wait. Oh, no, it's not a stick shift. Okay, cool. I can drive this. Wow, man! So this happened. I was driving, Samantha did not give me a heads up. We went the wrong direction. Oh my god. Why?
keep going and you get out.
Okay, okay. You trust?
Oh, dude. Oh my god.
My brother, I bought tires. This tires are new. These are new
No,
tires.
Yeah,
we
go.
could exit from right
Yeah,
here.
you better, dude.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, dude.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Just be careful what you
Oh my god, that's suspension.
Okay, that was a fun one. Samantha, I turned and I did not see it. And that is it for the vlog, party people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you can't see me, but you're gonna see this dark dog. It's called the night. Yeah, you missed it.